Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Abba Skylift storage system. Now this is a brilliant piece of equipment which is an addition to the Abba Skylift. It's £49.99 but it's engineered absolutely fantastic. As you'd expect from Abba, everything is really well engineered, and I'm made up with this kit, to be honest, because it makes the Skylift so much easier to store. So if you're having issues storing your Abba Skylift in your workshop, take a look at this storage kit. It's absolutely brilliant. It takes probably 3 or 4 minutes, maybe, certainly less than 5 minutes, to convert your Abba Skylift into something that moves around easily and doesn't get in your way anymore. So don't forget, if you do order from Abba, feedback is always really important. If you can tell Abba that you've seen it on my video, it all helps the channel. Feedback from my viewers is absolutely fantastic, and that means a real lot to me, and it also means a lot to the channel supporters. As you know, I'm a big lover of the Skylift and I use it all the time. I wouldn't be without mine. It's one of the best tools I own. Without further ado, let's get the Abba Skylift converted from being able to lift a motorbike to be something that can be stored away easy. So, have you got an Abba Skylift and you need a better storage solution for it for when you're not using it? So very kindly, Abba sent me the storage solution, which is this item here. So that's what you get in the kit. You get some thumb screws, you get an Allen key, and you get the welded bracket with the caster. The Allen key is to screw the caster on. Very simple. So let me run you through how you install the storage system on the Abba Skylift. So first things first, you might as well just fit your thumb screws into the bracket as per how I've done there, just loosely. Then that's ready to apply to the Abba Skylift. So for the next step, you're going to need a 22mm spanner and a 22mm socket, and we're going to remove this red crossbar section. Just take that nut out of there. Push the bolt out and that'll just drop to the floor. So just pull that away, and then we'll put the bolt back in there for safekeeping. So yeah, just pop your bolt back in its hole. We'll then take this part and we'll lift that up and just put that out the way. We'll then remove this thumb screw here, and then we'll remove the red bar out of the lifting brace. So when you get to this stage, we're now going to remove this 8mm Allen screw from here and remove this black leg here. So you shouldn't need any extra tools for this, guys. This is the Allen key that's on the Abba stand, which comes with the kit, with the original Abba Skylift. Just whip them 2 Allen screws out of there, like that. You can slide out that black bar from there. We can then take the Abba storage bracket, pop it in that hole there, and then we'll just nip up the Allen screw to hold it in place. So when you get to this stage, you can then remove this leg here. Again, using the Allen key, which is provided with the Abba Skylift, which sits in its little clip. Like I say, guys, you don't need any extra tools for this. So that's that leg loose now. We should be able to just remove that. And there you go. So as you can see, the Skylift now is quite stable, just sat on those three wheels. When you've removed this from the crossbar, from the mounting bar, you can then slide it through here. You can then put your crossbar back on the other side. Just nip it up to make sure with the thumb screw, make sure it's nice and stable. And there you go, that's your crossbar mounted. We can then proceed to store the rest of the parts. So there's one of the legs, stands in vertical like that. Nip it up. There's the other leg next door to it. Nip it up. We can then get the rear wheel stay and pop that on the end like that and nip up that. This system takes less than 5 minutes to store your Skylift away. So yeah, absolute big thumbs up from NJW Moto. It definitely gets my seal of approval. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. It don't cost anything. And yeah, keep your comments coming. Absolutely brilliant. It's so portable now. You know, you can move it around your workshop, and it's not dangerous now. There's not legs sticking out everywhere for people to trip over. Absolutely superb. That's the Skylift, nice and neat now in the workshop. Not getting in anybody's way and not taking up loads of room. You could quite easily just shove that into a corner. I really like that. It's a great solution, and it literally takes less than 5 minutes to turn your Skylift into this, that you can move around and it's not going to get in your way. So yeah, if you're having trouble storing your Skylift, there you go. That's what you need. Contact Abba, and please mention NJW Moto. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the questions. Thanks for the subscribes. Really appreciated. Just a short one this, guys. Nice weather's coming now, so make sure that you all ride safe, and bye for now.